Para mawala ang nervous mo? Ang nervous na sana yan? What's your height? Yung totoo, yung totoo. Oh, ang tangkad pala niya, 5'6 and a half. I'm wondering lang kung paano siya nagkasya sa puso. Oh, manis! Okay.
Icebreaker lang yun.
Pinapaalis ko lang yung kaba niya. Okay, so...
So please take your question. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, your question is, if God will grant you one wish, what would it be? Again, if God will grant you one wish, what would it be?
Thank you for that question. That wish would be a perfect relationship with my family. Because if you need love, caring, and supporting, those three things, you can only receive it from your family. That's all. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you. Next is from Miss Sophie Guadalupe. So, how are you feeling right now? Okay,
Nervous?
very good.
May lahi ka bang Mumbai? Wala? Bakit ganun tumataas ng interest ko sa'yo?
No.
Pinapaalis ko lang yung kaba nila.
Abangan niyo po ito sa labas ha.
Okay, please.
Get your question. Okay. Ako, may boyfriend pala.
Napalagot.
Okay, your question is, who was the most influential person in your life and why?
Thank you for that question. The most influential person for me could be the person that I really love, and that is my mother. My mother is very special to me. You just don't know how much she is. Para sa akin, siyang pinaka-influential na tao sa akin. Dahil, ulo pa lang, siya yung nakasama ko. Siya yung taong nakakita ng paglaki ko, gumabay sa akin, sumuporta sa akin sa lahat ng pangarap ko. At sa kahit anong pagkakamali ko, alam kong tatanggapin niya ako. At alam ko, itutuwid niya kung ano man yung pagkakamali niyo para sa akin na kitatagumpay. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Miss Sophie Guadalupe.
Guadalupe?
Very heartfelt
Yes.
answer.
Huh?
Okay, next is Miss Sophie Espana. Nalulula ka ba?
Oo. Sobrang laki. Oo.
Okay, how are you, Miss Espana? Great.
Kinakabahan? Naman. Hindi ka ba pagod? Pagod din. Talagang mapapagod ka. Kasi simula nung nakita kita, hindi ka na tumigil sa pagtakbo sa isip. Diba? Okay, next your
Papiliin mo
question.
na ng question.
Pinapatanggal ko lang po yung kaba niya.
Medyo pauti-uti na stress na ako. Oh, tingnan mo sa mata next time, ha? Okay, your question is, how important is fashion to you? And how does it help you as a person? Again, how important is fashion to you? And how does it help you as a person?
Nakakatulong po ang fashion para sa akin. Nasabi ko po na kung wala po yung fashion, siguro po hindi po tayo mapapansin ng mga iba't ibang tao. Sapagkat ang fashion po dito po natin in-express kung ano na po ang ating nararamdaman, ang ating kultura, at kung ano po ang nilalaig po natin sa Pilipinas. Yun ako po ang maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din.
Thank you very much, Miss Panya.
Okay, our next is Miss Sophie Valencia. Very beautiful, right?
Ano ang masabi? Oo.
So how are you?
Nag-aaral ka ba? Are you still studying? Gusto mo ba ng scholarship?
Akala niya naman.
Talaga, sayang naman because Sir John is offering scholarships. Opo. Sir Jones is a foundation po na nagpapaaral ng mga magagandang babae. Kaya lang ang problema po, ang kailangang pag-aralan ay kung paano siya mahalin. At talaga.
Ilang units yan?
Hindi lang po. Okay, pinapagandal ko lang po yung kabay.
Okay, please take your question now. Okay, this is kind of long question for you, so please listen. How do you define success? And what is the most important element in order for you to succeed in life? Again, how do you define success? And what is the most important element in order for you to succeed in life?
Success means a happy life. And a happy life does not just come. It is built daily by love, work, hard work, sacrifice, and the road to success is not straight. But if you have a driver called willpower and air called determination and an engine called perseverance, you can go to a place like success.
Very well said, Miss Sophie Calentong. Thank you.
Ayan po.
Okay, our next is Miss Sophie Anonas.
Kinakabahan ako. Wala na akong masabi. Oo.
Ano ba, paganda ba ng paganda sila?
Oo,
Mas type ko na?
Oo nga, pero nahihirapan na ako. Wala na akong maisip na pick up line eh. Di ba?
Ibig sabihin, tama na raw.
Tama na, oo.
Okay, so how are you, Miss Sophie Anonas? Okay.
Nag-aaral ka pa? Galing ka ba sa math? Slide, magaling sa math. Can you please my ex? Zero lang po. Okay.
Ito na, Carrie. Okay, please pick your question now. Saan mo ba kinuha? May dictionary ka
Meron
ba?
ako dito ba? Teka, check ko. Naubusan na ako.
Okay, so your question is very simple. What makes you unique?
Para sa akin, it-depends na pagiging isang yung kung paano ako makibagay sa mga tao na makasalubong ako.
Okay, thank you, Miss Sophie Anonas.
Thank you very much.
And our last but not least is the very stunning Miss Sophie Starboy. Is it Starboy?
Stars.
Okay, so how are you? Nothing much to say?
So, kind of, earlier I'm nervous, but now,
Okay, very confident, very nice to say. Okay, please put your question now.
Wala ka na sa akin, no? Before you read the question, hindi ka ba na? Kasi I lost my yours.
Oh, ayaw daw niya.
Ano na po yun? Teka, hindi yan yung boyfriend. Baka magot yan mamaya paglabas. Okay.
Okay,
Your question?
so your question is, if you were given a chance to change something from the past, what would it be and why? Again, if you were given a chance to change something from the past, what would it be and why?
Change nothing. Definitely nothing. But because if it wasn't in my past, I didn't who I am today. And mistakes makes us learn to be a better person.
Thank you. Very well said. Ang galing nila sa performance.
Yes? Candidate number 7? Artistic.
Sir Ed?
Oo. Ako wala na rin ako mag-iisip na lalabas ko yung cellphone.
Tama na. Hindi
Okay,
naman
tama na daw.
ako
Okay. Candidate number 7. Actually, nung pagpasok ko kanina, while other candidates ay nakasuot na ng casual wear, nakita ko siya, sabi ko, bakit kayo nakatotal look na siya? Hindi pala siya candidate.
I
siya pala
thank you
yung
for that,
co-host.
Sophie Martin, for my dress for today.
Ayan. Does she look stunning, di ba? Ganda.
Mo? Joke lang.
Medyo lang. Okay.
Okay.
So, thank you very much, ladies.
Thank you very
And,
much.
Relax muna backstage.
Relax muna kayo
While
backstage.
we're tabulating the scores.
Ready ka na ba